Hi, and welcome to Proggio Basics. Let's start with a project plan. If you don't have a project in place already, you can create one using Timeline GPT. Let's see how to do it. Click the puzzle icon in the left sidebar to open Timeline GPT. Here, you can type a prompt like create a website redesign project or upload a project diagram or Excel file with existing data. Timeline GPT will generate a complete project structure automatically, including tasks, milestones, and dependencies. Once the timeline is created, the AI chat window opens. You can input prompts to adjust your timeline, refine tasks, or change dates. Additionally, at the bottom of the chat window, you'll see Proggio's agentic AI recommendations. These provide task-specific suggestions to help you execute your project efficiently. For each task, agentic AI analyzes your project in context and suggests next steps, templates, checklists, or resource adjustments. For example, for a user research and persona development task, it might suggest designing survey questions or interview scripts to gather insights. Once you're done using the AI chat, you can continue enhancing your project with Proggio.ai. To add tasks, hover over an empty spot on your timeline, click the stars icon, and select AI suggestions. You can regenerate options or type custom prompts for specific needs. Similarly, add workstreams by scrolling to the bottom of your workstream list, clicking Suggest Workstream, and picking from the AI's recommendations. To create subtasks, click on a task, select Generate Subtasks, and add suggestions that fit your plan. A quick tip: let the AI suggest freely at first, and then guide it with prompts to fill in gaps. The more context you give, the smarter the suggestions will be. Sometimes a little manual refinement makes all the difference. Move tasks by clicking and dragging along the timeline. Adjust task durations by dragging the edges of a task block. A blue dot appears when hovering over the edges. Drag from it to create dependencies. Add milestones by double-clicking on the timeline. After manually adjusting the timeline, you can add more metadata to each task. Hover over a task and click the eye icon to navigate to task properties. Here, you can navigate through tabs to add notes, write a message to a user, attach files, create a checklist, manually add dependencies, mark tasks as risky, add a budget item, watch task log changes, update custom fields that were added to the space. The key is to start with AI for speed, then fine-tune for precision. That's how you get a project plan that's both fast and accurate. Once your project is underway, Proggio helps you stay on top of progress. Red bubbles indicate tasks behind schedule. Update progress by clicking the task's progress bar and dragging it, or click Track to update automatically to today. Subtasks update parent tasks automatically. Switch between Map View for a visual timeline, List View for a spreadsheet layout, or Kanban board to organize tasks by status. And that's it. Use Timeline GPT to create projects instantly, agentic AI for task-specific recommendations, and Proggio.ai to fine-tune your plan. Now, click that puzzle icon and create your first project in just 30 seconds. Happy project managing!